I am very, very sure you've worked on different websites just to make money online, and eventually they will not pay you this money. They will even tell you to even bring your PayPal account, your Payoneer account, and you don't have one. They will tell you to bring your crypto wallet, and you still don't have one. And eventually, even if you try to get it, they will not still pay you. But I have carefully made my own research to get to the website that will pay you money into your bank account, like straight up into your bank account here in Nigeria or wherever you work, like wherever you are in the world. So they are going to pay you that money straight up in your bank account without stress. So I'm going to walk you through step by steps on how to get these websites and then use it to make money. There are only three. There are just three that I carefully selected for you to make that money. And if this is your first time you're just seeing my face on YouTube Street, my name is Esther Oluwafemi, and I make videos on how to make money online, cryptocurrencies, and how to better your finance. And if you want valuable content like this, do well to join the family by subscribing to my channel and give me a like to this video so that YouTube is going to push it out to other people that are going to learn from it. With that being said, you can also join my Telegram channel and also join my WhatsApp community. The link is in the description of this video, and you can connect with me on my other social media platforms through what you are seeing on the screen right now. And also, if you want to make more money like as a YouTuber, do well to connect with me because I have an academy where you can start making money for yourself through video content and start making money for yourself. So it is still part of the hustle. So if you want to make money online, then this is the right place for you to learn how to make that money online. So let us move to the next step. So this is the first website, and is known as Farms Up. FAMSUP. Farms Up. Earn easy cash online by performing the simplest task. All what you just have to do here is just to come here, perform simple tasks, and make money. Though on this particular website, it's not guaranteed that you are going to make like 20,000 naira per day, but you can earn at least 1,000 to 5,000 naira daily doing simple tasks. And all what you just have to do is just like get started, then just create your account. Start by creating an account without any registration fee. So they don't charge for your account, like for creating an account on this particular website. And the next thing is to link your social media account, because you need to post videos on your social media, and then they will need to follow up as evidence to see that you are following up on the tasks that you are doing. And then you perform your tasks, carry out the tasks like following other people's social media and get paid for it, like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, social media, like all social media platforms. Then you have to follow up on them. If it's like comments, you can come here to start giving that and start making money for yourself, because content creation, like people are now making money through content creation, and they need engagement, they need followers, they need subscribers to grow. So you can come to this particular website to earn money for yourself. So basically you are earning money by helping other people to grow, and they have over 100 daily tasks. Every day they have new tasks, so you can come here and then to do the tasks, and the withdrawal is instant. So there will not be charges for the money that you are going to be earning on this particular website, and no, there's no investment or sign up fee required. All you just have to do is just to sign up. So just click on these three hamburger sign here, just click on sign up, and then enter your email address, your name, the state, your gender. If you are a female or male, just enter it, your current age, then your password. Please always remember your password. Don't put password that are too hard for you to remember. So just come here, click on register, and start making money for yourself. So this is the first website to make money, and then legit money, like this time around, to make legit money and get it straight up in your bank account. So let us move to number two. The second website that you can use to make money for yourself and earn money straight up in your bank account is StakeCourt. StakeCourt is an affiliate website, like they're into affiliate marketing, and what they have to do is they give you products, website training you need to take and start earning money for yourself. In fact, these particular tutorials or trainings that they have on StakeCourt can help your online business. If you are selling something online, then definitely the tutorials on StakeCourt will surely help you. And then it work on mobile, on laptop. You can sell digital products, even physical products, and yeah, you get paid weekly from your work from home, and then you are going to make money using your smartphone. And then these people are talking, like they are saying a lot about StakeCourt. So if you want to do that, just click on claim free accounts, and then create an account on StayCut, your first name, your last name, then sign up, and then you are good to go. This is free. There is no payment of anything. You're not paying for to join the affiliate program. Everything is free. I also have an account with StayCut. I'm going to log in, so you're going to see what is on the platform. You're going to see what you are going to sell to earn more money for yourself. I've done video on this before, but I'm still going to hammer on it for you to know that this is really legit. So this is my name. Good evening, Esther. This is my dashboard. So what you just have to do is click on these three hamburger sign and then click on my products, because I'm already a vendor here, so I can list my product here. Okay, if you want to see the products, then click on marketplace to see different products that are on StayCut. So we have, these are the affiliate products that you can sell. So all what you have to do is come here, sell products, and collect your commission. So as I'm scrolling like this now, these are the products that you can come here to sell and then make enough money for yourself. So every week you are going to get your money. It's very, very simple. Last time I checked, we don't have like many products here, but now we have products that people can come here to market and then make money for themselves. So you can see WhatsApp cash flow. We have room, different thing for different niches, like for money making, for relationship, for love, for cooking. We have different things, like for video editing, different thing. Let us check one. Okay, trade forex like a pro. This particular one, trade forex like a pro. So they are selling it $17.5, $17.5, and you'll be collecting 50%. So if you promote this particular product, then you'll be getting half of $17.5. So just click on promote, and then you're going to get your affiliate link. This is it. So this is the seller's name, the owner of the product, and then the person is selling it $17.5. So apparently, like, if you share this into two now, because 50% is like you are sharing the money into two, you'll be getting like it's not $8 or so, and that is a whole lot of money. And then you are going to click on here, on this button here, to copy your affiliate link. So anybody that click on it to get the products, you are going to make money from through that person. So you can go through the JV page to see all what the product is all about. Like, see the page here content. So if you need anything, maybe the affiliate group, the testimonials, and everything is always there. It's known as JV page. So if you go back, and then you click on StayCut University, you are going to see different tutorials that can help you to know how to market products online. These are free information that you can do, that you can start right now today and start making money for yourself, even for your business, even for your offline clients. You can still make money from them through what you are going to get, and it is free. It is free to learn how to create perfect lead magnets, the promo, like everything, even Facebook ads. It is here, so you can always come here to learn and then drive more sales to make money for yourself. And once you have earned that money, they are going to send it into your bank account. It's a very, very, very simple thing. So let us move to number 3. Okay, the third one is making money through Seller. Seller is a digital platform that you can sell digital products, online courses, ebooks, tutorials, games, and everything, software, and then you can make money for yourself. But Seller is created for creators, it's created for people that want to like affiliate to, that want to promote other people's products. And if you want to join Seller to make money, you can either be a creator or you want to become an affiliate. So this is what you have to do. So it's either you create joining as a creator, or you create joining as an affiliate. So if you want to join an affiliate network, then you have to go to this website, affiliate.seller.co, to join the affiliate, just like StayCut. But on Seller, you are going to pay money. And the money is one time, no extra money to pay. So earn extra income promoting other people's products, just like StayCut. So explore the leading. You can come here to read. And Seller is the largest market place for digital products and creators in Africa. Creators use Seller to sell all kind of digital products or service today to customers all over the world. We have over 1,000 ready to sell products on affiliate network. And then You can always come here to sell. So we have 30,000 products that you can sell. We have 35,000 merchants, and we have 2,000 affiliate partners. So like you can come to seller network to start earning money for yourself, and they always do summit like workshops to earn and to learn from top creators. And then this can always help your life. Trust me, like every day you can come here to take products as low as 1,000 naira is on seller. So you just come here, sell it to people, and start making money for yourself. So we just click on get started. Click on get started. You need to make payments to continue, because I told you earlier that you are going to make that payment, and then you are going to make 3,000 naira per year. So you are going to make payment of 3,000 naira. So if you want to join them, you make 3,000 naira yearly to promote any digital product on seller. So, and you can make money from Nigeria or outside Nigeria. Anybody that buys something from you within Nigeria, you will still make your money like in naira. And anybody that pay money like in another currency, you can still make your money to in naira, because they're going to pay you your money in naira. So, and seller allows for like 8 to 10 currencies that you can use, that people can pay with 8 different currencies, and eventually you are going to get your money in your bank account in naira if you are in Nigeria. So if you want to start, just click on get started and then make your payments. You can see you make money like click here for the coupon code. But if you don't have coupon code, then you can pay now. You can pay the 3,000 naira and start promoting products on seller. So once people click on your link, just like stay cut to click on your link, then you are going to make money through that particular product, and you get your commission. It's as simple as that. But let me give you another additional website that you can use to make money for yourself, and it is known as YouTube. Let me give you another information how to make more money for yourself is creating a YouTube channel. You can create a YouTube channel to make more money for yourself. You can create channel to talk about any topics and then make money for yourself through like the video content you post. YouTube is a money making machine. In fact, some people are on YouTube and they are not showing their faces, and they are making money for themselves. Like it is known as faceless channel. Some people are like, they are introverted people, and they don't want people to see them making money on YouTube. You can always come to YouTube to make money for yourself. Like it is very, very simple. On a daily basis, you see your money growing, and then you'll be making money for yourself. At the end of the month, like on the 21st of every month, once once your money gets to $100, YouTube is going to pay you that money. Like they're going to send the money to you into your Google AdSense account, and then you can withdraw your money into your account and then make more money for yourself. So, and there are several ways to still even make money on YouTube. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, then I'm the best person to connect with to start creating video content and start making money through it. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you can connect with me. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, and how to use it to make more money even with 0 subscribers. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to start and how to do it right. And also I have an academy where you can join, and then everybody is going to grow together because they're all growing together. And you can pay the sum of 3,000 naira only. If you are a YouTuber, you are watching this video right now, then this is for you. And also, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you just only with 3,000 naira, you are going to join us to learn the basic things, how to edit, how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, even faceless channel from scratch, and make money on YouTube. And you're going to get your money in your bank account. It's a very, very, very simple process. So if you want to make more money, do what to join a family. And if you want me to make more videos about money making, just let me know in the comments. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.